Welcome to the New York Boat Show. My name is Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax. Today I'll be taking you through the 33 Outrage Boston Whaler, which is powered by twin 300 Mercuries. This boat does have a dive door. The hull color is Fighting Lady Yellow. As we look at the cockpit, we do have a transom door with a shower. Nice teak table that does remove. Flip up, flip down seating. We also have additional seating right behind the helm seats. This boat does have the two captain seats and also dual Raymarine GPS chart plotter, fish finder, and radar. This boat also has a joystick option. As we come around to the bow, spacious bow, lots of storage underneath. This boat also has the windlass. Enormous storage. Fishing rods will come through. Nice buckets. Trolling seats on either side, port and starboard. And then underneath the console, we do have a VacuFlush head, storage, and also your sink nozzle is also for showering. For more information on the 330 Outrage Boston Whaler, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.